How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money with this method. So open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. And here go to the search of the browser and type the United States. That's the market we are going to apply this method in, and wait for it to load. Then zoom in on the states, and here let's zoom in and choose a city or a state that you are going to focus on or that you are going to start with. So here, for example, let's choose Oregon, and let's choose a city or a town in here. Let's choose, for example, let's choose Baker City. Here let's zoom in on Baker City. Let's zoom in and let's go again to the search, and let's start looking for the small businesses that could be available in this area. But before that, I'm going to talk first about the three services that we are going to offer these small businesses. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to offer to create a website for these small businesses, and if they already have a website, we are going to check that website to see if it's an up-to-date website or not. If it's not, we are going to offer to renovate the website for them. And the second service is removing the bad reviews from their Google Maps profile. And the third service is managing their social media accounts. So here let's start with gyms, for example, or hair salons, or you can go for auto repair shops, auto repair. And here let's click on search, wait for it to load, and here those are all the auto repair shops that are available in this area, and here you will be able to see their profiles. So guys, in order to choose the perfect match for or the businesses that with the highest rate of hiring us or purchasing our services, we are going to look first for to the headline. If there is any sponsored written in this place here, make sure to avoid that profile. And also, if they have more than 150 reviews, avoid that profile as well. So for example, this one in here, Precision Imports Auto Repair, 49 reviews. This is our perfect example. So here let's scroll down. They don't have a website, so that's the first service we are going to offer them. And let's scroll down to see if there are any bad reviews in here. From the review summary, we can see that they have some 1-star reviews and some 3-star reviews. So let's find those and let's see if they are bad enough to for us to be hired to remove them. So here let's scroll down until we find the 1-star review, and here it is from 8 months ago from Michael Paul. Replaced my fuel pump a couple of years ago using worn out original electrical connector that was burned, so new pump also failed. Be warned. So I think this business removed his fuel pump a couple of years ago using worn out original electrical connector that was burned, so new pump also failed. So that is the problem that he faced with this business, and there is no reply from the owners. So we can use this bad review. We can use this bad review to convince the business owners to purchase our service, which is removing the bad reviews. But it would be better if we can find another bad one. The the more bad reviews we can find, the better for us. So here, let's scroll down to see if we can find another bad review. Here, only the 5-star reviews. We need to find another 1-star review, because these 1-star reviews are very helpful when it comes to convincing the business owners that they need our service, because you can't convince them if they only have one bad review or two. So here we have a 3-star review. Dusty is the coolest mechanic I've met in this entire state of Oregon. I don't know why she gave the 3-star review. So here I think that's the only bad review that they have, and it's not enough for us to convince them. So you can just offer them here a 1-star review from a day ago, but with no explanation, so we can't use that. So here, as I said, guys, we can only offer them the website creation, and as I said in the beginning, you won't need to learn any skill in order to deliver the website or to create it even. I'm going to show you in a bit how you can deliver the services even though you don't have a clue. So here I'm going to choose another profile. I'm not going to choose this one, they have more than 165 reviews. Or we can just, I think you understand the method of how you can make money with this method. The only thing that's left to explain is how you can deliver these services. So guys, if you convince this business owner or this business to pay you $100 or $150 for the website creation, then you will just go to Fiverr.com here, which is a platform where you are going to hire a freelancer to deliver that service instead of you. So here, let's wait for it to load, and I'm going to show you the freelancers that will be able. So for example, this one here will design a WordPress website for only $80. So if we got paid $150 from this business and we pay the freelancer $80 to deliver the service, we would be left with $70 profit without even learning the skill or delivering the service as well. And if you apply that method, if you can just land 2 clients daily, that's a lot of money that have been made over a week or a month. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.